Friends, how are you? I am Mr. Kiran Jha and I will teach you English. And today's topic is analyzation of sentence. First of all, you know about sentence. Sentence means a group of words which makes complete sense, or a group of words which give complete sense is called sentence. And sentence can be analyzed, and we can say that there are mainly two parts of sentence, and these parts are subject and predicate. Subject means doer. Subject means doer, and if you identify the subject, then rest part of the sentence are predicate. Is it okay? If you identify the subject, then rest part of the sentence are predicate. For example, a wise saint lived in the forest. A wise saint lived in the forest. Here, a wise saint is subject, and rest part, I lived in the forest. Lived in the forest is predicate. Now, there are two parts of predicate also. First is verb and second is object. Lived, here lived is verb and the forest is object. Now, subject can be analyzed. Here, saint is main subject. Saint is main subject, while a wise is the subject features. A wise is the subject feature. So, we can say that subject can be analyzed as the main subject and subject features. Now, look at another example. She gave me a book. Here, she subject, gave verb, me a book is predicate, and here me and a book both are object, and these objects can be analyzed as direct object and indirect object. Here me is indirect object, while a book is direct object. She gave a book. What she gave? A book. So a book is direct object. Next, look at the another object, or take another object. She went to Patna. Here, went is verb, she is subject, but object is absent. Here, Patna is not object, Patna is complement. So, we can say that a sentence has many parts, and these parts are subject, predicate, and subject can be analyzed as main subject and the subject features, and predicate can be analyzed as verb, object and complement, and object can be analyzed as direct object and indirect object. That's all. Now write down homework. Learn analyzation of sentence. Learn analyzation of sentence and do exercise. Learn analyzation of sentence and do exercise. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.